Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use the Fluid engine in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your Squarespace account. So go ahead and log in, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard under which we can find all the websites we own. So go ahead and open up the website that you want to use Fluid Engine for. After opening it up, it's going to appear right here. You can take a look at the preview, you can take a look at your website settings, products, content, and so on. So we can now get started. So basically guys, as you can see right here at this official Squarespace page of the support page, we can take a look at how it works and how it looks to use the Fluid engine. Basically guys, any page that you create and any block that you add is already going to be using Fluid engine. So let's go ahead and open up edit mode right here at the top of the screen, click on edit, and after selecting edit guys, this is now going to open up this editing site header option and footer and so on. As you can see, we can get started adding sections, blocks, and so on. All the blocks right here and all the sections we are adding is going to be enabling us to use Fluid engine. So it's all using Fluid engine. As you can see, anything we add, adding a layout page, adding a footer, adding a block, anything is using Fluid engine. So you just want to go ahead and get started with creating your page, and it's all going to enable you to use those options. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.